In this video, you'll learn how to use the attendance tool in Blackboard. We'll cover how to enable attendance, customize the settings, add or edit meeting dates, mark students' attendance, and how attendance is automatically added to your gradebook. From your Blackboard course, on the course content page, under Details and Actions, on the right side of the page, select Mark Attendance. If this is your first time using attendance in the course, Blackboard will prompt you to set it up. Select Add Attendance in the middle of the page to enable the attendance tool for the course. This will automatically add an attendance grade column to your gradebook. The attendance page will open with the settings so you can review and customize them. You'll see the default attendance values: present 100%, late 50%, absent 0%, and excluded from the attendance calculation. You can change the percentage for late if it better matches your course policy by clicking the 50% box and type in the correct number. You can toggle on Include Excused in calculations under the Excused box if you would like. You can also choose which grading scale you want to use for the overall attendance grade by clicking the drop-down and selecting an option from the menu. Select Save in the bottom right of the panel when you are finished editing the settings. Then click OK. You can go back to the settings at any time by clicking the gear icon in the top right of the page. If your class meets on days that do not follow the default schedule, you can edit or remove meeting dates and add additional class sessions as needed. The page will now show a meeting for today. If you do not need to mark attendance for today, or if you need to add additional dates, you can click on Overall in the top right of the page. This view shows you all the students in your course, all the meeting dates you have entered, and the attendance marked for each date. If you need to record attendance for additional class meetings, select the plus sign before or after a date to add additional columns. Once you have added a new column, you can click on the new column title and select Edit Meeting from the list to select the correct date of the meeting. You can add all class dates at once, or you can add more throughout the semester. You can also delete meeting dates if your class schedule changes by clicking on the date and select Delete Meeting from the list. To mark student attendance, you can select the meeting date you want to record, then choose one of the items from the menu to mark all students at once. Also, you can mark attendance individually by going through each student in the correct date column and click Mark. Then choose one of the attendance statuses: present, late, absent, or excused. As you make selections, Blackboard automatically saves your attendance records and updates each student's attendance percentage. You can go back and change the attendance later if needed. For example, if a student comes to class after you have marked them absent. Once attendance is enabled, Blackboard automatically creates an attendance column in the gradebook and adds it to the attendance category. By default, this column is worth 100 points. Attendance scores are calculated based on the number of meetings and student statuses. You cannot edit the number of points the column is worth or how many points each class meeting is worth. You have now set up the attendance tool in your Blackboard course. Students can also see their attendance record and grade for the course in their Blackboard gradebook.